Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Meta AI app. Instagram's developers just released a new app called Meta AI. If you're familiar with ChatGPT, it works very similarly. It has all the AI features you'd expect, and more. Let me walk you through how it works. First, head over to your App Store or Play Store and search for Meta AI. Once you find it, go ahead and install the app. After that, open the app and you'll need to create an account. Since it's developed by Instagram, you'll sign in using either your Instagram or Facebook account. Click Get Started with Meta AI. If your Instagram account shows up automatically, just tap Login. If not, you'll see options like Continue with Instagram or Continue with Facebook. Tap 1 and log in. Once you're in, you can start chatting with the AI right away. It works just like ChatGPT. You can ask questions, get answers, and explore all kinds of AI-powered tools. There are different tabs at the bottom for things like your chat history, notifications, and the Discovery section, where you can try image generation and more. If you tap the profile icon at the top right, you'll find your settings. From there, you can edit your name, username, and bio. You can also switch between dark mode and light mode, manage privacy settings, and contact support. And that's it. It's super easy to use. If you have any questions about the Meta AI app, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.